morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today's video is just going to be a quick tidy up video. I'm just going to show you right fast. There's just a few things laying around, some blankets and just the usual stuff from the evening, from the night before, just laying around being lazy, those kind of things. You guys, I'm using a Dyson vacuum cleaner, the one that has that really long cord. It's like a mile long. Yes, it literally feels that long. But it's a really good vacuum cleaner. I can vacuum my whole living room, then I can go on into my bedroom without having to even plug this thing. It's a really awesome vacuum cleaner, but I'm thinking about maybe in the future getting one of those cordless ones. I've seen a lot of videos that have those, and I like them, I guess. We're just going to move along to the kitchen and pick up a few things that need to be done in there and put up some dishes and just tidy up a little bit. I was at TJ Maxx the other day and they had this pumpkin spice soap and it smelled so good, so I had to have some. It smells really good just to rinse your sink out with, wash your hands. It leaves a really good scent. Absolutely love using these Swifters. They're just easy to use, no big mess, no nasty mop that's wet lying around anywhere. You just simply use it and just throw it in the trash. It's just really handy. I like using those. I just want to right quick show you some of my fall decor. I love the way this china cabinet turned out. This is actually a china cabinet that I chalk painted, and I love the way it turned out. This is just a lot of stuff that I had last year, so I just reuse my stuff over and over. I like the way the top of it turned out. I love all the original colors, the bright orange and all those colors, the greens, the browns. I just love those. Now it's time to go get some groceries. I need to run to Ingles and pick up a few things. And then today we are actually going to do the online Walmart thing. My husband is supposed to be picking those up. I've already taken care of everything. So when he gets off work, he is going to swing by and pick those up. I'm kind of anxious to see how that's going to work out. So hang around and we'll find out. Okay, so we are back home, and this is just a few of the things that I picked up at Ingles. These sweet biscuits with the icing, they are simply delicious. Not really a great breakfast, but they're really good for a snack. And I had to have some creamer, and these pizzas that are at Ingles 2 for $10, they're really good pizzas. I mean, they're really, really, really good. Really cheap, really something cheap to throw together right fast for dinner. And they have a lot of cheese on them, and I love cheesy pizza. But they have a lot of good sales on beef tips. The chicken breast was like 98 cents a pound. I love to buy all that stuff up when it's on sale. That's the time to really stock up. And of course, if you see my Mrs. Meyer products in the back, I do love those. Okay guys, so we are back. My husband got off work, went by and picked up our Walmart pickup order, and I want you to look. Took 6 minutes just to bring all this out. No hassle, no aggravation. The order was perfect, and it made me not have to go in and do all the grocery shopping, which is really nice, especially when I'm on my day off. I don't want to have to do it. It just works out really good. Thank you so much for stopping and watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. There will be a lot more videos to come, so don't miss out. Thanks.